In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add more RAM to CurseForge mod pack. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily manage the amount of allocated RAM that you have for all your CurseForge mod packs. To manage this, all that you have to do is go over to the settings icon at the bottom left, and this will bring you to the settings of the CurseForge launcher. You will be able to find game-specific settings including Minecraft, so click on it and then scroll down. After you scroll down at the bottom, you will find Java settings alongside the option to manage the allocated memory. So as you can see, this is what they have to say. Allocating too much memory can affect performance. Only allocate more if you need it for HD textures and memory-intensive mods. You can also change the setting per profile. But to keep it short, all that you have to do is adjust this slider. So usually, to keep it simple, 1000 megabytes is going to equal 1 gigabyte allocated on your mod pack. So if you set it to something like 4000, this is going to allocate 4 gigabytes of RAM to Minecraft. And of course, you can adjust however you prefer. Usually 1/4 of your RAM should be okay, but you can try pushing this number up. Remember to keep it at a limit and don't allocate too much because this can actually slow down performance, and never allocate 100% of your RAM to Minecraft only. My recommendation would be to not go above 10 gigabytes if you have a lot to spare like me. Keeping it at 8 would be the sweet spot, but most people should keep it at 4 depending on the setup that you have available to you. And once you have this slider set up, you can just close down this window and open any mod pack. You can change this at any time, and you can also change the other versions here as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to add more RAM to CurseForge mod pack. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.